Well, here it is, guys. Golspar is almost finished, and it's time for the open house at my studio in Las Vegas. We're welcoming the public tonight to see this, my biggest ever creation, Golspar, the dragon. He's made completely of steel, reaches nearly 30 feet into the air at the top of his head, and has a wingspan that stretches wall to wall in my... It's bigger than wall to wall in my studio. I had to put him on an angle. He's got a 70-foot wingspan. It's crazy. You can see he's towering here, and the scale of these legs and claws and feet is just amazing up close. The tail here is about 40 feet long on its own, making the total length of the sculpture nearly 70 feet. There are hundreds, probably thousands of scales covering this sculpture from top to bottom. And as we step back here, we can see the immense scale of this sculpture as it fills my studio. I can't believe I've created this thing. It's nearly finished. You can see the coloration on the body too, as it's starting to cover most of the body. I do that with a rapid rusting process using a special solution that I spray onto the metal. The wings, they still need to be finished, and I need to finish scaling up the back of the neck. You can see that bit there that doesn't have any scales yet. The chest will also be covered with that rust-colored treatment before shipping the final sculpture to its destination in Wisconsin. It's going to stand out front of the resort on display for everyone to see and take pictures with, and it's going to breathe fire too. It was great having people to the open house. I got a chance to meet a lot of my fans, talk with a bunch of my sponsors, and people who've been following my career down here in Vegas. It was great to meet them all and catch up with some old friends. And we had a buffet-sized charcuterie board fit for a king. Well, maybe a knight. The king didn't show up, but the knight did. And wasn't that a great surprise to see Golspar and the knight together? The smoke and lights in his head were a big hit, and people couldn't believe the scale of everything up close. It's just a massive sculpture that Michelle and I have been working on here for about 15 months now. So it was really great to show it to the public in Las Vegas and invite people out to see it and enjoy it for themselves before it gets taken apart into pieces and shipped to Wisconsin for public display. I'm so proud of this, and I'm just so thrilled to be here in Vegas working. We're always happy to have guests drop by the studio here. If you check out our website, you'll see the address and a way to get in contact with us. And if you ever want to come down and take a tour, we'd be happy to show you around and show you what we're working on next.
We fight! We fight! We fight!
So, you know, it's kind of hard to have an unveiling when the dragon is big as you're building, and they don't make sheets this big. So my name is metal sculptor Kevin Stone. My wife is here somewhere hiding in the background. We lived in Chilliwack, just outside of Vancouver, Canada, and we moved down 2.5 years ago. And this project is what brought me down. This is for the Mount Sinai Medical Center. Living in Canada, I've done all these large projects like Alice the T-Rex and Drogon, and I've kind of had a dream for 20 years, and Michelle has backed me for 20 years to move to Vegas and to unveil large-scale pieces of art like this. So this is our first gigantic piece that we've done here in Vegas. We hope to do more. We'd like to see future projects like this become regular, and for me, I would love to see a piece like this and have it stay here in Vegas. So that's our goal, is to get our name out in Vegas, show Vegas what we can build, and hopefully get something like this here. I mean, I have to give a huge thanks obviously to Michelle for supporting me through all this. It's really hard work. We work 7 days a week for months and months and months on end to get projects like this finished. I'm pretty grateful that I've had the opportunity to build this and show it to the world. We have some great sponsors tonight. I'd like to thank these guys for showing up in armor. I mean, that is so cool. You gotta have a night with a dragon. I've had amazing sponsors. So we've got Fast Cut with the CNC table. We've had Benchmark was here tonight, and they've supplied us with all our grinding disc, cutting disc, things like that. Bailey Tools for all their big metal shaping equipment. Edge Welding for TIG welding supplies, leather gloves, like the list goes on and on and on of all the support we've had since we've moved here. Thank you everybody for coming.